Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on Instagram. Yeah, why just become famous while you can also make money on Instagram? But first, there are questions asked like, how do I make money on Instagram? How many followers do I need to get paid? How much do I get paid? I'm going to answer those questions right now. Question number 1. How do I make money on Instagram? The most used way to make money on Instagram is to work as an influencer to post content sponsored by brands. How to become an influencer? Number 1. Choose a niche. By choosing a niche, this means that you do something that you truly love. Example, fashion, sports, cooking, hiking, and other stuffs. Just choose something that you truly love. Number 2, build trust and grow your audience. This means that you should commit to posting consistently and post content that your audience want or love. Number 3, post transparently. This means that if you post something, be transparent to the audience. If it is an ad, start with the hashtag ad so that the audience can know it's an ad. Don't complicate things. Question 2. How many followers do I need to get paid? According to some sources, a person needs at least 1,000 plus followers to be in a position of a micro influencer and begin monetizing or make money. Question 3. How much do I get paid? Yeah, payment varies according to level of influencers. That is, micro influencers, middle tier influencers, and top tier influencers. Whereas the micro influencers, these are accounts with less than 10k followers which actually make $88 per post on Instagram. Yep, $88 per post. Number 2, middle tier influencers are accounts between 10k followers and 100k followers which can make around $200 per post on average. And the last part is top tier influencers, where these are accounts between 100k followers and 1 million followers which expect to make about $670 per post. Actually, the price varies. It may increase according to the brand you're working with or the advertiser you're working with. And influencers with more than 1 million can earn varying prices as well. Sometimes they can earn $3,000 to $6,000 per post. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. If you have any questions, put them in the comments